What's going on YouTube? So it's Martin
and Kristina
from Thrift Store Gold back at you with another video, daily vlogs. So as you saw in the title, we lost out on $1,000 last month. Sorry for all the shakiness. We're actually just sitting in a local bench. We got the phone propped up. So this is just gonna be an uncut, raw video. So we're gonna explain how we lost $1,000. So enjoy this intro. We'll be right back. So now that you guys are back from that intro, her name is Kristina, my name is Martin. We're a reselling couple. We've been documenting it all on YouTube, making tons of videos for you guys to watch. So if you are new to our channel, thank you for watching. You should definitely consider subscribing. But now let's get into this video. All that you've been waiting for is how we lost out on $1,000 last month. Yeah, sorry guys, I'm gonna try to stop hitting this so it stops shaking. And sorry for all the cars driving by. It's gonna be pretty loud sometimes, but we're gonna explain our story last month.
So basically for us, we really didn't start tracking our money at all until about 3 days ago. So
3 days ago.
Bear with us a little bit. But in the beginning of the month, we were making consistent sales and stuff, and he was working and we were getting money in, but we were kind of just spending it on our bills, whatever, just spending it.
We weren't tracking it.
Yeah.
We weren't writing it down.
Nope. We had no idea what was coming in, when it was coming in, or anything. And so after finally tracking it and writing down everything that we've made and put everything into a spreadsheet and into a budget, we have realized we made an extra $1,400 that we do not have right now, guys. $1,400 that is missing.
So we don't know how we spent that on bills or how we spent it on just miscellaneous crap.
Well, the $1,400 comes from paying the bills. Like, that's extra money that we had.
That's insane.
It's like, what did we buy? Like, we don't have anything extra for ourselves
we thought we were keeping ourselves like disciplined and not like buying anything, but it just goes to show that if you're not keeping track of it, you don't know how good you are doing. No
idea. And we really did sit down and take a look at like why, like how that could have happened. And our first mistake was an eBay spreadsheet mishap. So I accidentally had July and August open in our spreadsheet and was putting numbers. I did half the month in July and half the month in August just by not paying attention. And so it really just goes to show me that you need to pay attention on what you're doing every single day. And when we combined that, we had well over what we thought we had in sales. And it really just, if you watched our live stream last week and how defeated we were, that was the day that we were like, holy crap, we have no money.
Yeah, we were so down.
A few days later, it was like, holy crap, we really do have the money. And now today it's like, well, crap, we had so much extra money.
So we're making this video now to pretty much document that next month, since we're going to start tracking it, writing down every dollar, giving it an assignment. We're going to track to see how much more money we have next month and see if we're still missing $1,000 somewhere.
Guys, I can't tell you how, like, just like,
hey buddy,
how silly we feel, or I feel, to know that we made $1,400 extra and we don't know where it is. And we could have paid extra on bills for that or something. We could have paid extra on bills or anything and just lowered our payments just a little bit. And to not know where that money is right now makes me feel so bad, but it also makes me really excited.
It's okay.
It makes me feel really excited for this month coming up to be able to track it and know where it all is. And hopefully at the end of the month, hopefully on August 31st, you will see us saying that we have an extra $1,400 in our bank account. But yeah, it just goes to show you really, really, really need to track everything, because it's so easy to lose track of like $5 here, $5 there. And that's what we thought we were spending. And look, it ended up being $1,400 later. So
that was our video pretty much. Next month we're going to be doing a lot better. We're going to keep track of every single dollar like we said. We advise you to do the same if you're not already.
And
what do you got to say?
I don't know if we can help you out too much on just being real on trying to budget money. We're trying to learn ourselves, but seriously try to reach out to somebody who can help you, and just know that there are people out there who to help you and who are willing to listen to you. You're not alone, and to get it off your shoulders was or to get it off our shoulders was one of the biggest reliefs we could have done. So if that's one big tip we can give to you, is if you're struggling with budgeting or struggling with anything,
ask for help.
Is ask.
Yes. So you can even ask us. We'll
try. We'll delegate it to somebody else.
So for that, this video is officially over.
Yes.
Smash that like button if you haven't already. Leave a comment down below if you got any love you want to share for us, or if you got any inspiring tips for anybody else in the comment section.
Yes.
So have a great day, guys. We're gonna continue on this walk that we're with our dog. We'll show you him really quick. That's Finn. That's who's been crying. He's being good now. So that was our video. Thank you for watching. Peace, guys. Go crush it.